Get ready to please listen to Acid Pro.
Hi, good morning. I'm C from Asset Pro team. Asset Pro is an RFID asset management system developed by Golden Orb System Solutions Incorporated. Golden Orb specializes in UHF RFID solutions, installation, and consultation. We have several deployments in RFID for warehouse management, tool tracking, pallet tracking, supply chain optimization, and asset management. RFID as Golden Orb's primary specialization and several RFID implementations, we decided to come up with an RFID asset management system. One of the best businesses that I believe will benefit most on Asset Pro are hospitals. Misplacement or loss of critical medical equipment can lead to delayed patient care, wasted resources, and the worst cases, jeopardize patient well-being. Imagine a nurse urgently needs a specific piece of equipment to a patient in critical condition. This delay can be a matter of life and death. By tagging all assets with RFID and deploying RFID antennas and fixed triggers in strategic locations of a hospital, finding the equipment for immediate use is an ease. Last limitations for asset pass-through may be tracked with Asset Pro. Locating asset is not the only problem that is faced by most businesses. IT, retail, and manufacturing companies, especially those with data centers, are facing a huge challenge in loss of asset and coverage. Monitoring hires assets and assets that are about to be brought outside the facility by an unauthorized employee takes too much time and consumes manpower if done manually. Asset Pro automates that process. By placing RFID tags on each asset and employee's ID, and deploying RFID for present exit and entry points of the facility, Asset Pro validates all assets that passes through each door if these assets are high risk or cannot be brought outside the facility by an unauthorized employee. ABS-CBN face issues in doing their equipment count, which they usually do on a daily and weekly basis. They have around 80,000 assets, big and small items, all of high value. High-end lapels, microphones, speakers, lights, cameras, lenses, and equipment being used to shoot a movie or a newscast. Similarly, all of their assets were tagged with RFID. And with the use of handheld RFID reader, their inventory became 80% faster and consumed less manpower. They can even check if the asset scan is supposed to be stored at that warehouse or in another location. How does it work? Each asset will be tagged with RFID to be scanned by antennas, sensor readers, or by handheld readers, and then this will be sent to Asset Pro, which can be viewed by the user, of course. Asset Pro has two models, Asset Pro and Asset Pro Lite. Asset Pro is an auto license which can be hosted on cloud or on-premise, while Asset Pro Lite is a subscription model where monthly subscription pricing is based on the number of assets, concurrent users, and the number of RFID readers. Our president has been in the technology business for more than 20 years, and yours truly has been in the RFID technology for more than 10 years. And I have our senior programmer, lead, has been a full stack developer for more than 5 years now, leading his own team. And of course, our project manager as well. He has been a full stack developer for